One, two, sarang! Hey! Annyeong, everyone! This is Monica.
Hello, my name is Pia.
What's up, everyone? This is Trency, and welcome to a music video reaction video from us here at One to Sarang. And alam niyo naman, nauutal-utal na po ako ngayon sa excitement. At nag-iinit dahil sa excitement ng video drop na ito from two of the hottest members of our favorite group, 17.
Pwede na rin ang nagsabi, the hot guys of 17.
Exactly, the hot guys. At my God, first time po namin mapapanood itong music video na to. So, yung mga reactions namin, I'm not sure how it's gonna be. Bantayan nyo na lang po mga eardrums nyo, no? For this video, we will be watching it 2 times. Okay, the first time, we will be watching it in full. And then after that, syempre, magsa-stop and go tayo.
Kailangan for the screenshots.
Kailangan for the screenshots. Kailangan for the longing looks. Kailangan for the touching of the self. Wow!
I think it's for educational purposes because we need to understand this phenomenon. Ganun.
Yes, we need to understand how the body functions. Care of this video. Yes. Alright, so ang pag-uusapan po natin for this music video reaction is of course CXM, Scoops and Mingyu's first music video together na silang dalawa lang. It's called 543 Pretty Woman from their album Hype Vibes. Simulan na natin, no? Yes. Huwag natin patagalin to.
Yes.
Okay,
bakit yung
tuloy na
paghinga
natin.
ganyan?
Oo naman. Ganun
In
talagang
agony.
paghinga.
Okay. Hala.
Hala na! Oh my God.
Oh my
Holy
God.
crap. What the
Start pa lang. Start
Wait
pa lang. Kaya ba nating manood? Dapat mag-holding hands tayo.
Okay, ready na ba kayo? Let's go.
Balik! Balik!
Ayan, okay.
Wait.
In 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Oh my God! Wait lang.
You make me hit a trip after what you do.
Pwede mong gawing American English subs.
You want that work that does drive rock and keep my cool. Every Sunday, baby, I'm trying to feel with you. My God is up and praying. I'm working on the pretty woman. Rolling on my street, yeah, she on fire.
Ay.
So spicy,
Oh, wow.
That's crazy.
As a matter of fact, I know I'm really hurt, but if anything, if we talking lists, I'm killing everything. Hot commodity to give it up is wedding ring. Not to boast, I'm super bad, got my own bag. Beauty's in the eye beholder, but I'm something to brag on. So done, my lipstick, yep, from carrying this weight, I almost broke my backbone. People down, I'm up, they keep trolling. In and out my soul, I'm so how could anybody hate? I be the black subject of pretty, but they thinking I'm not. And they still watch Miss Ladybug connected to that. Believe me, they be hiding, but they throwing them rocks. Looking presidential, should be in oval. Korea to US, my money by coastal. A bad bitch is sharing my plate, I'm not greedy. Girls, we run the world, I'm so
Pretty woman, rolling on my
Swerte naman ito.
Ano yan? Bakit may ganito?
Free, let's go.
Sa t-shirt ko na chart. Hindi naman.
I know you like it spicy, got that 5-star place so icy.
Cute.
Fish it up, get it saucy, serving so yes please. Are you ready? Come and ride it. Take a seat, let it hit. We gon' waste no time with it. Every now, yeah, we can ride non-stop. We gon' lose our minds.
Life story. Ay, yung mga lalaki cute tayo.
Ay, may credit.
Wow!
Ay.
Melon pang! Melon pang! Sabi niya. Lo. Lo.
Haba ng credits, ha? True.
Ano yung credits? Mas maliit na lang, tapos yung video malaki. Okay, buhay na po ako ulit. Sarang Speratu. Nabuhay po kami ulit kasi pinatay po kami ng music video na to. What the hell was that? Please answer, girls. What the hell was that?
It was actually fun.
Mm.
Though, di ko alam. Fun nga ba talaga yung word? I actually expected it to be a lot more hubad. Pero siguro isip nila, eto, tas tapos na. Fun na siya.
Oo. Correct.
Parang, yeah, it is so much fun. Although, I'm so sorry, but like, the Laybanks part drag on too long. Like, ba't ang haba na to?
I have
na
to
to?
agree with you on that. Parang,
Like, how many bars did you give her?
Yun nga
Even Youngji and fighting was not given that much
Exactly.
exposure. And that's
Correct.
Youngji. I'm sorry, I don't know who Laybanks is. But, ang haba!
Correct. Totoo. Agree.
It kind
Parang
of
ano
felt
nga,
like yung sa Jungkook, yung 7 days a week. Ang haba din ng part ni what's her name? Was it the rapper who was there?
I think I'd forgive that more because JK solo, alam mo yun, pag nagko-collab ka with somebody.
Sabagay.
Pero ito kasi dalawa na sila eh.
Correct.
Mas gusto ko
Sabagay.
pang makita si Sungchul tsaka si Mingyu kesa, sorry Laybanks, no offense. But that's a lot of exposure, girl. Oh,
I mean, it was good.
She's cute
I mean,
though.
oo. Parang I feel like, it kind of, parang I'm trying to understand what this song is all about. Parang, so it's about two guys telling the girls that they're pretty and they're amazing. And then there's a woman saying na I'm amazing. So, parang kumbaga, pampahype siya, I guess, as a woman. It's something you play when you're starting your day or maybe pag pa-night out na kayo, pampa-up ng self-confidence mo. Pampa-prep. Yeah. Parang mas ganun siyang vibe. But, I think kaya may disconnect for me ng site kasi gusto ko akitin ako ni Sungchul tsaka ni Mingyu.
correct.
Parang feeling, ayokong ma-hype as a woman. Gusto ko akitin niyo ako. Parang ganun. Yun.
Baka sa ibang kanta.
Baka sa ibang
pwede.
kanta. Oh.
Ang disconnect maybe is bakit may hubad and then fun.
Oo, exactly.
Clickbait.
Oo,
Clickbait tayo. Sobra. Yun naman sabi ko,
Parang
clickbait.
I don't mind if they started with the partying or like them walking down the
Exactly.
street. I don't know.
Yes. Pero I'm not complaining.
Sana mas mahaba lang.
The
Sana
disconnect.
binawasan
I
nila
don't
yung
mind.
Laybanks part. Sana binawasan yung Laybanks part tapos sinabaan na tong hubad sa start. Diba? Mas masaya yun. Ma-hype up talaga ako nun. That's the true hype vibes.
Hype vibes. Okay.
Yes.
Oo,
Yes.
oo.
Let's, watch it again for fun. I mean, tas paulit-ulit
For
yung
fun?
start. Ganun. Tas paulit-ulit yung start. Yung mga first 3 seconds nito. Repeat lang tayo mga 5 times. So, ito na po yung favorite part namin. Yarn.
So- But wala tayong pinos doon. Wala talaga tayo po-pause.
Oo nga,
Okay.
babalik tayo. Sandali. Babalik tayo.
Kasi
At ipopost
anong-
natin several times. Wala nagsabi, nakatunga nga kayong lahat eh.
Magpo-pause. So, may part kasi na anong part ng katawan yun? This is really for science. Sige,
Oo,
play.
for science. Okay, go. What are your thoughts on this
Hindi,
scientific
play mo
body?
muna.
Okay, play.
Pause. Ano yun?
Okay. Sandali, hindi ko nahuli. Sandali. Eto, tenga.
Hindi yan. Is before that. Is that
Eto?
like a neck? Bakit nakakindat?
Yung mukhang pusod.
Ay, ang dami natin. Sige,
Pusod
wait lang.
ba yun?
Magsa-stop and go ako every 1 second. Balik tayo sa top. Sandali. Babalik po tayo sa top. Ayaw mo ba? Hoy, makisama ka. Ayan, okay. Ayan,
Yan, yun. Neck. Hindi,
Neck
before
ata.
this.
O sige,
Parang
ulitin ko
neck
from the
nga.
top, no? For
The
our
nape.
enjoyment. Ayan.
Yan, oh.
Yan.
That's the nape of the neck kasi ayun yung
nape.
buhok
Okay,
eh.
kasi ito yung tenga niya.
Mm.
Ayan.
The back?
Oh, now we know.
Bakit
Now
siya
we know.
naliligo na nakaganon?
Nang naka?
Nakaganon siya maligo. Kasi nakaganto, di ba? Ito yung hair eh. Nasa taas, di ba?
Feeling ko kasi naglilinis siyang likod. Hindi nila pinakita, pero may dala siyang lupa.
Okay.
Nagaganon siya.
Nag-bend siya. Okay.
Nagbe-bend siya. Yes. Yes, yun. Okay. Sige nga, name that part. Go. Anong part to?
That
Braso.
part.
Braso yan.
Okay.
De Mercedes. Okay. Ayan.
Tenga ni Sung Chol.
Tenga ni Sung Chol. Sung Chol ay, may suot ba siya?
Parang nakasando, oh?
Oo,
Or is
parang
that just...
nakasando
Or
siya
is that a
Or
necklace? I think it's a necklace.
Parang
Pero
feeling ko
dito
weird
sa shoulder part, lower
Dito?
down, parang may shadow.
Kasi parang feeling ko may glass. May hinahawakan siyang glass eh. Parang gumaganon siya. So feeling ko yun. So baka feeling ko may water chin.
Okay.
Feeling ko nakahubad siya. Dapat nakahubad siya, Song Chol. Dapat.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Ay.
Baka yun. Yun yung suot niya.
Ano yun?
Hindi siya naligo na siya. Tapos inaano niya yung salamin.
Pinupunas na niya. Kaya siya
Pinupunasan
nakasando.
yung salamin. Nakasando na siya noon. Hi, Song Chol. Ano ba? Okay. 5-4-3. Why is it 5-4-3? Dahil yung kasama lang yung sa kanta.
2-1.
5-4-3. Pretty Woman. Ganun.
Parang sa original, wala namang 5-4-3 countdown. Baka sila lang.
Baka sila lang. Okay. Tapos yung 5-4-3, parang font pa ng 5 Guys. Ako lang ba?
Ako
The
nga parang, ano to,
burger joint?
Chicago?
Oo. Pwede rin, Chicago, actually. Okay, let's move on.
Gusto ko yung mga parts na to. Parang gusto ko mag-club.
Wait,
pero ang
balik. Ano?
dapat may
Ano
poging
condition?
ganyan.
Oo.
Saan?
Bakit ba walang
Sa club.
ganun dito? may profile shot si Mingyu na sobrang
Oo.
mas rewind pa dyan.
Looks like he's enjoying himself.
Yan! Yan!
Okay.
Yeah.
Yan. Kapag meron kang kasama sa club na lalaki, tas tinignan ka na ng ganyan, anong gagawin
Ay,
ninyong dalawa?
Girl! Alam mo, putang ina talaga, during my day. I mean, kung hindi siya lapit sa akin,
Yes.
baka ako pa lumapit sa kanya. I would have been like, wanna dance? Why stare at me for a long time, sir? Tapos after nun, alis na kami. You know.
Ikaw, Mon.
Alam mo naman ako takotin sa mga pogi.
Yun na nga. Kaya gusto ko malaman yung magiging reaction mo. Binigay na niya sa'yo. Ayan o, nakaganyan na siya sa'yo. Tatakbo ka?
Ang pogi masyado. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko.
Okay. So kung hindi ka lalapit, siya lalapit sa'yo, what will be the first thing you will say?
Anong gusto mo?
Ano ka pala, bartender?
Okay.
Humingi ka order, gano'n. Nakatingin siya sa'yo kasi ang tagal na ng order niya eh.
Miss.
30 minutes na niya hinihintay.
I say yes. Ganon. Kailangan mo lighter. Ganon.
Oo.
Birthday mo ba? Ganyan.
Uy, nakakamiss yung mga gantong moments though. Ano ko, Kimingyu? Ano ka ba?
Grabe. As in, this one was like, yes. PD Nim, Director Nim, and Mingyu Nim. Wow, Mingyu Nim.
Yes.
Everything was perfect.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Correct.
Tara,
Sige,
go.
sige.
What's next?
Ayan, may tinitingnan ulit silang mga babae. Grabe.
Pero nagtititigan lang pala silang dalawa. Nag-eye to eye sila across the club.
Correct.
Si
Sila
Mingyu
dalawa
tsaka
lang
Jesus.
baklaan pala to. Wait, may gusto lang akong balikan. Nasaan na ba yung part na yun? May maswerteng babae. Ay, okay. Huwag natin balikan. Dito
Wait
na tayo.
May ganito palang shot.
May ganito palang shot. Umiinom siya na, tapos bumabag.
Anatomy.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Kaya pala nag-start with the ligo para meron tayong call back to the different body parts.
Correct.
Kaninong Adam's apple? Scoops.
Ay,
Scoops?
parang
Mingyu?
feeling ko.
Parang Mingyu.
Parang Mingyu. O dark yung hair. So, kaya pala siya 5'4'3" kasi binibilang pala natin yung body parts na pinapakita. Yan po yung total body parts na makikita natin. 5 plus 4 plus 3 equals
Not 17.
12.
Baka 5 plus 4 plus 3 tapos we feel pretty women because we're happy. Because when you're happy, you're pretty.
And you do math when you're pretty and happy.
Really like how you I really like na sobrang pinigi mo tong na to, yung video na to. Parang like, sobrang PG nun. Miss Rachel. Okay.
Play.
Damn.
Kaninong pawis
Ay, oh my
yun?
God. Ito yung part na parang,
Ala.
tangina.
I thought,
Ala.
you know what? When he was walking down the street, I really thought of DK. Kasi ganyan yung styling
Mga
ni
porma
DK
niya.
usually
Yung mukhang aakyat ng ligaw.
Oh my God. Tapos hahatahin ko siya sa alleyway.
With the glasses.
Which was my original Delulu. Sa alleyway for some
Pero
hot,
may katabi
steamy
ng basurahan.
Yeah, because that's what you call exciting.
Like yung sa tapat ng MOA. Yung nagpa-picture siya.
Gustong-gusto niya yun. Gusto niya yung grungy vibes. Yes. Yun, that's my DK loves. Pero grabe, no? Gusto ko yung fact na parang innuendo siya eh.
Super.
Diba? Like,
I mean, it's
may
actually
kamomol.
straight up.
Straight up,
Sin
actually.
with you.
Totoo.
Like, what else can that mean?
Yes. Every Sunday, I will sin with you. Parang lumelebel yung linya na yon sa afternoon delight.
Oo.
Diba?
Correct. And then ito pa, I've been praying, my goddess.
Oo, my goddess. My God, to be treated like a goddess by Kim Mingyu.
Ay.
Diyos ko, Lord. Sino maswerteng babae yun?
I know.
Hi.
Grabe.
Ba't siya nalilito?
Kasi madami siyang girls.
Ayan.
Oh.
I like this
Sponsored
part.
by
Kasi parang
CK
siya,
to.
Sponsored by CK. At saka callback siya sa Pretty Woman, di ba? Yung kanyang,
Correct.
Yeah.
kanyang
But it was
glow
her
up,
shopping, not the man.
not the
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Oo.
So that's why
reverse.
Leigh Banks yung nandyan sa couch.
Correct.
So siya pala si
Oo,
Richard
yes.
Gere. Yun yung role niya dito.
Pero with
siya yung may
Julia
pera.
Roberts boots. Yan yung boots ni Julia Roberts, sa Pretty Woman.
True that.
Yeah,
Oo
with the
nga.
red dress.
Parang-
Yeah.
Yung working girl pa siya. Namaste. Ayan. Yan. Ay.
I love that
Pogi.
this dance and na-leak na to sa
Me
Twitter
too.
pero ang saya.
Actually fun.
I
Super fun
really,
nga.
like the choreo.
Cute.
Dance challenge. Monica.
Ayan na.
If we talking list, I'm killing everything. Hot commodity to give it up is wedding ring. Not to boast, I'm super bad. Got my own bag. Beauty's in the eye beholder, but I'm something to brag on.
Cute ng clip niya though.
From carrying this weight, I almost broke my
Parang wala silang moment together actually, no? Parang they didn't shoot together,
Except
no?
yung kay Mingyu. Yung nag-shop.
Doon lang sa shopping.
Pero pwede kasing i-cut-cut yun eh.
Oo.
Totoo
Parang
naman.
wala silang shot na magkasama sila.
Believe me, they be hiding, but they throwing them rocks. Looking presidential, should be in oval. Korea to US, my money by coastal. A bad bitch is sharing my plate. I'm not greedy. Girls, we run the world. I'm so
Oh, so yung
Ayan.
girl nga si Richard Gere. Stop. Tama ba yung nabasa ko sa lyrics?
Oh my God, sorry, wait lang, balikan lang natin yun.
Oo.
Tangaloob.
Sinabi namin
Yung
pause.
sa rap?
Sorry, hindi ko narinig. Hindi. Sorry, not this part. This part, where is it? Wait lang, balikan na lang natin ng malayo. Yan.
Pause.
Yan!
Bakit may ganyan?
Ay!
Bakit may ganyan?
Pogi naman ito.
Ano yan?
Cute Scoop!
Hindi ako natutuwa. babae.
Oo nga.
Ang dali niyang tingnan ng ganyan.
Deserve. Ay, naku.
Very
Pero
good casting director, I guess.
Pero alam mo, imagine mo na lang na ikaw siya. I mean,
Wala,
pares naman kayong
masama na
tanned,
loob ko.
moreno girly, di ba? So, pwede mong isipin. Hindi. Isi-screenshot natin to, tapos ilalagay natin yung mukha mo.
Sige.
So, mag-prepare ka na ng profile mo.
Ito na.
Yan! Perfect. Okay. Yan na ating thumbnail.
Sakto. Tapos yung background niyo pa mo ang kainta. So, sinundukan niya sa kainta.
I think this is masyado realistic kaya na-hurt ako.
My God. Hindi, pero kung catch pala, girl, tiga-kainta siya kasi ikaw nanunundo dito eh.
Ako nagda-drive eh.
Ikaw nagda-drive eh. Ikaw sumundo sa kanya.
Correct.
Pero grabe, that look, ang ina ka. Ayun lang. Si Jonghan lang nakakatanggap niyan. Pero ngayon, ito si ate girl. Okay. So spicy, 5, 4, 3. Let's go!
Spicy 5, 4, 3, let's go.
Gusto ko to. Pero, stop. Bakit mukhang boobs yung cutout ng wall?
To hype us up.
Ayan.
To remind us
It's
that
a bra.
our tatas should be lifted and bouncy.
Exactly.
Ganyan.
Oo. As much as they are lifting our vibes. Diba?
Correct.
Oo. So,
Girl
let
power.
the tatas and the vibes be lifted. Yun. Tama. Namaste. Okay. Ang fun ng choreo nito.
Sobrang
fun.
fun.
Lang talaga siya.
I know you
Cute.
like it spicy, got that 5-star place so I see.
Cute nito.
Cute.
Daan natin to
Super.
sandali kasi this is a cute part.
Sana yan, gawin nilang merch. Kasi di ba uso-uso mga kiring-kiring. Sobrang cute.
True.
Correct.
Actually.
I'd love to have one.
Oo nga. Ang cute ng pag-kiring.
Sorry, Bongbongi. Ex ka na muna.
Sorry, Bongbongi. Dito lang po tayo sa mga ano. Tapos ganyan din yung tsura. Nakakapit si S-Coops kay Mindy.
Correct.
hindi siya hiwalay. Dalawa
Correct.
sila.
Lalagay mo
Correct.
sa pantalon mo
Cute na.
mahabang
Oy,
ganun.
cute nun.
Buti na lang hindi
Super
OT13.
bet.
Ang haba.
Haba hanggang sahig. Ang haba nun.
Push it up, keep it saucy, surfing, so, yes please. Are you ready?
Pause.
Mm.
Ay, yung shot na naglalakad silang dalawa.
Frontal.
Yung
Yan.
ito yung frontal na shot. Ito lang, as in when we saw this kanina, sabi ko, oh my God. I mean, we know that Mingyu is like super tall, he's 6-footer. Pero kasi because of S-Coop's aura, feeling mo din ang tangkad niya. Pero itabi mo siya kay Mingyu, mukha siyang makni.
Oo.
Para siyang si
Hindi
Kim
siya
Woonak.
ganyan.
Na tinabi sa mga hyung. Parang ganon. He looks so,
Correct.
so baby here. Wala lang.
Tapos baby pa. Tapos pagtinang ka pa niya ng
Tas-
ganun.
Tapos
Sunday ko siya sa
nakapuruntong pa
kainta.
siya. So, parang...
Correct,
Nakapuruntong
nakapuruntong
pero
pa.
best
Kaya
pa.
para talagang si Woonak.
Correct. Yung... Okay.
Come and ride it, take a sip, let it hit, we gon' waste no time with it. Every night, yeah, we can ride non-stop, we gon' lose our minds.
Oh.
Fun.
Ang thought process ko dito parang, oh my God, how fun is it to be young, handsome, and rich?
Correct.
Alam mo yun? Because that's
Correct.
basically what they are.
Correct.
Diba? Young, handsome, and rich. And and a man. And pag ganun ka, you control the world. Alam mo yun? You can get whatever you want. And this is what they
Or, you know,
alam mo yun?
throw a pool party anytime you want. In LA,
Anytime
quintessential.
you want. And you're, diba?
Mhm.
Tapos ang daming tao, everyone's gonna fawn over you because you're rich and you're fucking hot like them.
Mhm.
Ay, nako. Grabe.
Wait, parang nag-freeze. Okay. Sorry. May isang shot kasi si Song Chol na gusto ko. Baka na-skip na.
Sige.
Nag-freeze lang
This
siya sa akin.
one? After
Okay,
this?
baka hindi pa. Sorry. Play. Itong mga babaeng to. Charot.
Yung babae.
Yan, pause! Yung ano niya, sobrang...
This one? Before?
No, before.
Yung
Yan!
naka-selfie cam siya.
Yung look na yan! Yung look na yan!
Yeah.
Cute.
Parang ang dami niyang
Sobrang
masyadong sinasabi.
Anong sinasabi niya? Ano sinasabi niya sa'yo? Tell us.
Kinilig na lang. Wala nang masabi.
Gano'n lang.
Wala nang masabi. Ganun na yung usapan na. Tapos sabi niya sa, ganun lang.
Oh my God, magdamag kayong ganun.
Ganun lang. Ang sobrang pogi lang talaga niya dito sa shot na to. And then parang masyadong inviting
Very
yung
cute.
look. Maybe sabi niya, pool party. Bring your bikini. Make sure that the tatas are lifted.
Yes! Make sure the tatas are lifted high up. Tsaka nandito, sobrang parang ang youthful lang niya.
Correct.
Diba?
Napaka-baby.
Kasi we know him as Jungle S. Scoops. Alam mo yun? That's how we know S. Scoops as primarily.
Or the
But then
tatay.
sometimes we see the tatay, ganun. And then we see this playfulness come out.
Oo.
Correct.
Kasi nabawasan na siyang kailangang alagaan.
Kailangan niyang pagalitan yung mga carrots, gano'n.
Correct. Oo nga. Ba't di kayo
Finally,
tumatalon?
nag-party siya.
Ganon.
Huwag kayong pumunta sa cafe. Char.
Ng kuya ko.
Ganon. Ng kuya ko. Correct. Pero tapos pero after nun, tatawagan ka niya. Tapos sabi niya, punta ka sa pool party ko. Tapos ganyan yung face.
Oo.
Ang problema ko lang, bakit pa siya naka-jacket? Init-init na nga sa California eh. May pool party ka, naka-jacket ka.
Pag pa-sunset naman lumalamig eh. Oo.
Pero mukha naman kasi hindi cold yung day na to.
Hindi pa sunset na siguro. Kasi yung mga nakabikini naninindigan lang.
Bakit ito yung tanong ko para sa inyo. Bakit niyo ba gustong Pinipilit ko nga siyang magtanggal ng jacket eh. Samahan niyo ako dito. Ilabi natin. Kasi parang, tama. Ano ba naman yan, S-Scoops? Pool party nga eh. Pag pool party.
Sa bagay.
Topless.
I mean, nag-commit na sila na hubad sa start. Dapat binok-end na nila. Ano ba yan? Anong klaseng director yan?
Correct. Yung Cortis nga, nakasando eh. Sando man lang.
Oo. Kaya nag-swimming din sila. Nakasando.
Blue na rin kasi naninindigan din sila.
Correct. Totoo yan. Okay, moving on. Boom. It says here, you and I
are similar
it says
creatures.
Here,
we're both pretty woman.
We're both
human.
So yun yung thesis.
We're both pretty human.
So yung pala thesis statement ng kanta to, hindi lang mga babae, sila rin. Kaya may hubad.
Kasali sila.
Okay. Fine.
We're
Pero
both
tanong,
pretty human.
bakit nila tinapon yung cellphone sa tubig? So,
Correct.
paano nila nakuha yan? Ay, nako. Galit.
Marami naman kasing cellphone nun, girl. Wala namang cellphone ban. Boom. Ayan.
Parang
Laybanks.
super bet ko yung ito. Parang it feels like sa sobrang daming fun, there's just too much footage that they have to include it.
Correct.
Actually like these better.
Sayang naman daw lahat ng in-effort nila.
Melon Pang! Melon Pang. Balik natin si Melon Pang. Melon Pang!
Kasi si Mingyu din yung kausap niya about the Melon Pang, diba? So he probably is reenacting that scene. Kasi yung turo-turo tas yung ganito, sobrang Melon Pang eh.
Oo, sobrang Melon Pang. Yeah, I agree.
Sim pala
Oo, Melon Pang.
How much is that doggy in the window pala?
Ayan na.
Nasaan yung
wait
ganun
lang.
ni S-Scoops?
Hot. Wait lang, balikan natin ng konti kasi may ibang
It's
angle
giving
dito.
it's giving so much Eminem to me, this shot.
Calvin
Mga
Klein
spaghetti.
naman.
Eminem.
Ayan. So, nakasando nga siya. I think.
Nakasando
Ay,
siya.
hindi gagi nakahubad siya, men.
Nakahubad.
Hindi may sando.
Kasi
Masyado
yung
lang
ditong part.
maliwanag.
Yung dito na saan? Wala, Wala siya.
Ano yung Venus cut?
Hindi.
Venus cut.
Sorry, tube top.
Dito, tingnan mo sa kabilang side, may sleeve. May strap.
Nakakaiyak yung Venus cut.
I say we stick to Venus cut.
Diba?
Oh.
Kyawa.
Uber pala to. Uber. Yo.
Oy, may ganong shot. Sayang parang hindi nagamit.
Ay. My God.
Kyawa.
I think on a general sense, it had all the hotness and cuteness that we wanted, but they could have given more. And they could have given less laybanks. But generally, it was a very fun song. Alam mo yun. Parang, you think the music video matched the song. Parang ganun.
Ako,
It did
yes. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Hindi pwede yung fun pool party sa Korea i-shoot eh. Kailangan nilang pumuntang US
Correct.
para sa fun pool party.
Oo.
Kahit na pumunta pa silang yang ganun, parang hindi
Correct.
kailangan US,
Tsaka-
LA, Hawaii, ganun.
Mm-mm.
Plus, it is Pretty Woman. I mean, if you're
Exactly.
gonna pay tribute
Rodeo
to the
Drive.
movie, it's gotta be in LA, right?
Correct.
See Venice
Totoo.
Beach and all that. I'm still questioning though, Bud. I mean, thank you for being
Oo.
vulnerable. But like,
Wow. Vulnerable.
to Mingyu, wow.
May mga
vulnerable ka
intimacy
nga ba?
coach ba sila no nung shoot nila?
Well, it's the law now, at least in the Philippines. So baka, I don't know. But anyway, like, I it could have been tighter, I think. Like, there's so much to play with, like, the LA setting and the song.
Gets. Yeah.
May onting na disconnect lang ako dun sa hubaran. Like, maybe, sana gumawa na lang sila ng isa pang music video and then dun sila maghubaran. I don't know.
Naguban.
Correct.
Yeah, gets. Parang sana kinonect na lang nila or at least binookend nila with that.
Oo.
Alam mo yun? Parang kasi they did black and white eh. I'm assuming like the start of the
Yeah.
hubad is like, oh, this is the start of our day. Ganyan. Parang day in the life of rich, handsome, young men. Parang ganun siya. In LA. So baka dapat end of it, they could have like also ended with a more sexier noir kind of vibe to match
Or
the start.
pushed it
Parang ganun.
Pushed it in between, the in-betweens.
Yeah, actually,
Like-
oo nga, pwede siyang cuts, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Cut to cut.
I mean,
Yeah.
na hindi lang body parts like being sensual. I don't know.
No! Kailangan body parts.
Pero kasi the song kasi is fun. So parang yung mga
Yeah.
walking down the street and the car and the beach and the choreos, nakuha nila yung vibe ng song. So yeah, medyo ako sa hubaran. Like, okay, fan service, I understand.
Correct.
Like,
Service,
okay.
Correct. Oo.
It felt kind of out of place nga. Tsaka, rolling up the street, diba? Yung lyrics nila. Kasi yung babae yung taga-sundo sa kanila. Diba? Yun ba yun?
Car.
Kasi yung
Oo,
babae yung
rolling up ba?
magdadrive.
Oo.
Ang galing naman. Ang galing ka, diba they drive, both of them. And then they were driving when they were in LA. Ang dami nilang shots like all those nice cars. So parang, but okay, I can ride with, as a woman who drives, I'm a
Correct.
drive you boys.
Yeah,
Let's
I would
go.
drive you boys insane.
I think baka kailangan din natin i-check din
Or
yung
naka-rollerblades.
lyrics. Baka meron din tayong hindi na meron tayong hindi pa naiintindihan or something. That's something we can talk about in the album review, right? I mean, we're
Yeah.
talking about the
Oo
music
nga.
video pa lang now.
That's true.
But
Oo nga.
I
And this-
also, kahit na street, napaka-fashion ng music video na to. Na to. Which makes sense because, they are the two most fashionable members of 17. So,
The most sought
pasok na
after
pasok.
ambassadors.
Yes.
Correct.
Oo nga. With lots of brands under their belt. Pero yeah,
And
super
Scoops
gets. Parang
really walking
I-
down the catwalk.
Correct.
Yes.
Love that.
Oo. So, tama nga naman na parang, I guess, a lot more to kind of make himay in the lyrics, I guess, to make more sense of it. And how the song parang plays with all the other songs in their album. So, mangyayari po yun. For now, this is only our music video reaction. So, dahil ito naman po ang pinakakaabangan natin sa release na to, makita ang kanilang pagmumukha na silang dalawa lang. So it has been so much fun, guys. Share this episode with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And see you on our next episode. Thank you. You're the best. Gomawo, Chegoya, and Sarang Hey!
Sarang Hey!